In this video, I'll guide you through how to start Steam games in windowed or full screen mode. Whether you're looking to optimize your gaming experience or simply prefer one view over the other, this guide will make it easy for you to switch between these modes. Let's dive right in. First, you want to open the Steam app on your computer. If you're not familiar with this, Steam is a popular gaming platform where you can purchase, download, and manage your games. Once the app is open, you'll be greeted by the home screen. Here, you can access your library, browse the store, and manage your account settings. Today, we're focusing on the library section. Next, go ahead and click on the library tab at the top of the Steam window. This will display all the games you currently own on the platform. The library is where you'll find all your installed and uninstalled games, along with their updates and other useful information. Take a moment to browse through and find the game you want to change the display mode for. Once you've located your game in the library, right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. From here, you can manage game properties, view community forums, or uninstall the game, among other things. For our purpose, you'll want to look for and select the Properties option, which will open a new window with more specific settings for the game. Within the Properties window, click on the General tab if it's not already selected. The General tab is the section where you can adjust a variety of settings that affect how the game runs. This includes setting launch options, which is exactly what we're going to do next. In the Launch Options field, you can type commands that change how the game starts. To run the game in full screen mode, type full screen. If you prefer to have this game start in windowed mode, type windowed. These commands are straightforward and effective, allowing you to control the game's initial display mode without navigating through in-game settings each time you launch the game. Remember, typing these commands exactly as shown with a dash at the beginning is crucial. A small typographical error can prevent the command from working, so double-check your entry before closing the window. Once you've typed your chosen command, you can simply close the Properties window, and your settings will be saved automatically. And there you have it. Now, whenever you start your game, it will launch in the mode you specified, either full screen or windowed, depending on which command you entered. This method is a simple yet powerful way to customize your gaming experience on Steam, ensuring that you can play your games the way you want to. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy gaming!